Okay, getting the shareable link in Google Docs is pretty simple. You go up here to this blue button that says share and click on it. Sometimes this will be here, sometimes it won't. So if it's not, click on this little paperclip thing to get the shareable link. Now this is what you need to pay attention to. So anyone with this link can view it. So this is view only. This is great for sharing majority of your work, especially in any sort of like public space, right, on our discussion boards, things like that, because it allows people to read it but not make any changes. When you share the link with me, you need to click on it and click on Can Edit. This way I can give you feedback directly on your document. So once you have it where it says Edit here, then copy the link and paste it into the Canvas assignment. So again, this like editing capability is really important for me giving you feedback. And I give all the feedback in suggestion mode, so you see everything. There's not like hidden changes. I'm not changing anything, but it allows me to actually comment on your writing within your writing as opposed to just an endnote, which isn't as helpful. That is it.